Tesla chief Elon Musk revealed more on why the world's second richest person and a Bitcoin believer has suddenly turned against it. Other than environmental concerns, Musk has now claimed that Bitcoin is not as decentralized as people consider it to be. The Tesla chief also agreed with the tweet, suggesting Tesla would sell its Bitcoin holdings this quarter, but later clarified that it had not done so already. While holding Tesla car purchases using Bitcoin, Elon Musk said that the company would consider other cryptocurrencies that utilize less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy per transaction for car purchases. Dogecoin will be the frontrunner to replace Bitcoin. Doge speeds up block time 10x, increases block size 10x, and drops fees 100x. The low fees and high volume are required to become the currency of Earth, again supporting Dogecoin. However, the prices of both Bitcoin and Dogecoin along with other cryptocurrencies have declined over the last few days. Bitcoin price has tumbled below the $45,000 mark, nearly $20,000 off its all-time high. Doge seems to have a robust and vibrant community now, but even they seem to be getting tired of the constant fluctuations in price caused by Elon Musk's tweets. If you found this video informational, kindly give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to Faqts.